How to make green screen videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the video editing app. Here I am using Clipchamp. Once you come in the new project area, from your left hand side go to contrast library and search for green screen. Once you find, simply bring it to the editing area. Then go to your media at the top. Click on import media and then import the picture in which you want to include the green screen. Tap on the green screen video at the top. Now click on effects from your right hand side. You can simply see the screen threshold. Manage that firstly. Then after in the screen video, you can simply adjust the video which you want to include in the green screen. Once done, click on export. Choose the quality and then you're good to go. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.